Yo, 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 what's up, YouTube? So, give y'all just a little short update on some stuff, man. Ain't nothing too crazy, but just wanted to pop out another video for you. Let you know a couple things that I'm still doing in here. Told y'all I'm doing the system install. The truck came with 2 Optima batteries. But as you see, I'm getting the power wire ran. Had to drill me a hole. Drilled me a hole right down there next to the steering column in a real good open spot. There was already a small hole there with a grommet. I got me a bigger grommet. I step bitted it out to the perfect size. Got me a grommet. Put it through a grommet. Ran it all the way up. Just sitting here for right now. Just sitting here. I'll tuck that all in better. Haven't decided if I'm gonna go under this or above it. I'm pretty sure this wiring right here is for my trailer brake setup. I think that's pretty much what I'm assuming right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and run the power wire to this battery over here. Run it in. There's some 4 gauge that I picked up. I didn't have no 4 gauge here. I went ahead and used some black, picked up some black 1/0. I didn't have no black 1/0, just blue. And I did like 3 cars with that, and I'm finally about out. I think I got 1 more car left with the roll. I won that on a car radio pancake waffle, kind of just a raffle site. I think I had like 30 bucks in a whole roll. But yeah, I'm getting this done. Seats all unbolted, well, loose right now. I'm gonna pull it out, pull the door sill out, pull the seatbelt out. I'm gonna fish the wires for the back doors. I'm just gonna do some coaxes in the back door, so I'll fish the wires through. This is already, I think I'm just gonna run them coaxials in the back doors because I already have them out for like buying a set. I wanted to do a set of 5 1/4. If I could find a set of 5 1/4 from somebody super cheap, I'll do that, but otherwise I'm just gonna run the 6 1/2s. The 5 1/4 would have fit better in them doors. I already measured it. The 6 1/2s a fit, but the grill's gonna rub the surround, I think. So that's the reason why I wanted to go 5 1/4, because that grill won't rub that surround on them. So I'm trying to get it done. I got all the holes cut out for the kick panels. Got the kick panels dynamited. I got the spots marked for the holes to screw it in. Let's see, what else do I got done? Yeah, I showed you guys the back doors. Got the back doors all dynamited up. I'm gonna pull the headliner down. Actually, yeah, I got new headliner material on the way here now. It should, I think the headliner material comes in another day or 2. But, what's that? I picked up a glue gun on eBay. I got that glue gun for like 30, 40 bucks. I have the glue coming, the real upholstery glue. It'll be here Thursday. Well, FedEx is saying Wednesday, but we know how that is, so I'll just go Thursday. There is the brand new grill surround that eBay sent me for free because of the bottom part are broken on that one. So there's a brand new one free. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the back shed, save it. Whenever I actually go to repaint the truck or whatever, I will put it in. Got the door panels done for the Escalade. Escalade should be going out here pretty soon. That's pretty cool. Roll pans all painted up. Everything coming along. I got my buddy coming. He's gonna snake his little little girly hands through the front doors and dynamite the inside of the doors. We're gonna take all the bolts out of this, and even when you take all the bolts out, it don't really pull out that far. So I'm just gonna kind of hold it out while he puts some dynamite on the inside of the doors. I'll toss one layer on the inside of the doors, and then I'll do the outside of the doors myself. Get them all put back. I'll run all the wires for it. Get everything done. I'll run the wires for the kicks, run the wires for the doors, just a tweeter wire. I'm wondering if I should just toss the crossovers in the door and save wiring. If I put the crossovers in the door, I could save some wiring on, you know, instead of running 2 sets speaker wire out, I could just run the 1 set from the crossover. I don't know, man. Tell me what you guys think. I'm always super leery about putting crossovers in doors in case of moisture and water and stuff gets in there. Guess I could wrap it up or something, but still. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. This has a perfect spot for the tweeter. Right there. I've already took that apart. The dome tweeter will fit right in there from the top. I'll just use some CA glue and CA glue it in from the back. Should be good to go. I got my little white faces for this. Siri cut me off or something, but I got some little white faces for this. Got some white faces for the heater control. All that's gonna be done here shortly. There's my door hinges still. I haven't got around to putting the door hinges in. And then, other than that, I just about stepped on my dog. You gotta move. Got some oxygen sensors through oxygen sensor code. Got the oxygen sensors for this. I'm gonna toss them in here. Here's an oxygen sensor socket kit. Amazon, like 20 bucks. Can't beat that. Got the hydraulic crimper for the power wires. Yeah, man, tell me what you guys think. Trying to get stuff done. Trying to get stuff done. And then I got some cups. We're inside the speakers. A little bit of touch-up paint. Yeah, I appreciate everything. I got a new motor for the compressor coming. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. That motor, the air pump itself's going out. It ain't really pumping the right air in. It's taking forever. Pistons wore out. Snap-on. Got me a brand new one though. 400 bucks. Tossed it on the credit card. But anyways, I'm not gonna drag this video out any longer than it already is. Tell me what you guys think, man. Leave some comments, put some likes on this video. Appreciate everything. Appreciate the people that are watching me, follow me. I even appreciate the haters that dislike and don't follow me. Watch my video, that's all I care about. Thank you, man. On to the next one.